Entering dates, there's volatile. When we say volatile, that means it changes. So if you enter using equals today and an open parentheses and close parentheses, it will give you today's date. But if you open the workbook tomorrow, that cell will show tomorrow's date. Likewise, if you equal now, it will give you the current date and time. But every time the sheet is recalculated, let's say you enter some things and you enter some formulas and you recalculate those formulas, that time will update. So that's what we mean by volatile. If you want to enter a time or a date that is not volatile, you can use, you can do this two ways. You can either enter it directly as 01/11/2023. That's the long way. The short way is control plus the semicolon. That enters the current date as a value in date format. And if you want to enter the current time as a value, you hit control and the colon key, and that enters the current time. It will not be volatile. It will remain as that number. Volatile. Notice that says 1/11/2023. Well, that's today. When I put that formula in there, it was, I think, 8/1/2021 or 2022. But now today it comes up with today's date because it is the today function. And like we said, you can also enter it directly. And you can see up in the formula bar, this says 8/7/2020. Or I can hit control or semicolon, and this puts in the current date. And notice it did it automatically. I didn't have to type anything. I didn't have to type the slashes. It's in the date format.